Have you ever wondered how some women always look effortlessly chic and polished? The secret is in their accessories. In this video, I'm going to review the top 7 essential accessories every woman needs in her wardrobe. And I'm going to be focusing on accessories that will elevate any outfit and ensure you're always looking your best. So let's get into this video. Number 1, chic scarf. Scarf always add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit. Let's say you're someone who do not like to wear bold colors, but then you just feel like adding a little bit of color to your outfit. You can actually use a scarf to achieve this. For example, you can use a patterned silk scarf to add a pop of color to your neutral outfit. One of the reasons why scarf is an essential is because it's very versatile and can be styled in different ways. For example, you can wear a scarf around your neck to add a personal touch of style to your outfit. You can even wear it as a top during summer when the weather is very hot and you just feel like wearing something breathable and free. You can also use it as a hair accessories and even use it to decorate your handbag as well. The styling option for scarves are endless. That's why it's an essential. Next, we have the structured black handbag. This handbag is a must-have for every woman. A good black handbag is a staple accessory that can be worn with almost any outfit, and it complements lots of colors as well. For example, you can style your black handbag with an all-white outfit, an all-grey outfit, and even a multicolored outfit, and it blends in perfectly. A structured black handbag also serves as a major style statement. For example, you can wear a very simple basic outfit, maybe like a jean and a top, but once you just use a black structured handbag, it gives this classy, rich vibe kind of look to your outfit. Now, because there are lots of styles and sizes out there, it's important that you choose a size that fits your daily needs and lifestyle while adding a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Next up is shoes. Shoes are a key component to any outfit. Here are a few things I would like you to consider when choosing shoes. First is comfort. Whether it's a pair of classic pumps, sneakers, or flats, every woman needs a pair of comfortable shoes in their wardrobe. Because when you wear shoes that are comfortable, it makes you feel good. Meaning that you can focus on what you're doing instead of being distracted by the pain caused by uncomfortable shoes. Of course, we all know how that feels. And this will in turn boost your confidence and energy, allowing you to walk with ease and grace. Personally, I would say comfortable shoes are not just about fashion. They're about feeling great and taking care of yourself. The next point I would like you to consider when choosing shoes is versatility. Every woman needs shoes that are versatile in their wardrobe because versatile shoes can be paired with multiple outfits, making them a more practical choice for various occasions. Imagine having a pair of shoes that works just as well with your favorite jeans as they do with your dress. For example, I have this black slingback mules. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ever since I got this shoe, I've been able to style it with multiple outfits and it always fits perfectly. Sometimes I tend to remove the strap and just wear it like this if I'm going for a very simple look. And that's what we are talking about, versatility. Versatile shoes are an investment in convenience, style, and practicality. It makes your life easier and elevates your fashion game effortlessly. The last point to consider when choosing shoe is timelessness. Every woman needs timeless shoes in their wardrobe because timeless shoes never go out of style. You can wear them year after year and they would always look fashionable. For example, elegant flats, classic pumps, these shoes have stood the test of time and they still continue to look chic. Timeless shoes are very economical in the long run because instead of constantly buying new pairs to keep up with the fleeting trends, you can always rely on these enduring styles to stay in fashion. Next up is jewelry. These accessories always add sparkle and shine to any outfit. The first accessory you are going to be considering is a statement necklace. This piece can transform a simple outfit into something spectacular. Whether it's a bold chunky piece or a delicate sparkling one, statement necklace is a must-have. Choose a necklace that suits your style and complements your wardrobe. Next jewelry is versatile and statement earrings. Using statement earrings is a great way to add a touch of glamour to your outfit. It comes in various sizes and shapes, so there's always something for everyone. It's wise to invest in versatile earrings that can be dressed up and down, such as classic studs or hoops. This is a must-have in every woman's collection. You just don't know when you will need it. The next jewelry is classic watch. A timeless classic watch adds elegance to any outfit and is perfect for any occasion. There are lots of ritual styles out there for ladies, for example, bracelet watch, digital watch, crystal watch, and sports watches, each of them with its unique benefits and functionalities. So always choose a style that suits your personal taste and your lifestyle. Lastly, for jewelry is timeless rings. Timeless rings are an essential jewelry. Whether you prefer a simple band or a more intricate design, rings add a finishing touch to any outfit. You can stack your rings to create a trendy look if that's your style, or you can wear a single statement ring that can stand out on its own. It all depends on what you like. Next up is belts. A good belt can do wonders to your outfit. Belts add shape and definition to any outfit, and they come in varieties of styles from slim and delicate to wide and statement looking ones. Belts are an essential because it can be styled in different ways. For example, you can use a belt to cinch a flowing dress at the waist to add more structure to your look. You can also use a belt to add a pop of color and texture to a simple outfit. So belt is a must-have. Number 6, hat. Hat is an essential accessory because it adds style and personality to any outfit. And there are over 8 kinds of hats you can use to accessorize your outfit. For example, we have fedora, bucket, baseball cap, beret, wide brim hat, etc. You can choose to wear a hat for various reasons. Reason number 1, you can wear a hat simply to make a fashion statement. For example, you can style a fedora hat with a tailored suit for a polished and sophisticated look. Always choose a hat that complements your face shape and suits your personal style. Number 7, sunglasses. Sunglasses are a must-have accessory for sunny days and also to add an instant glamour to your look. In terms of versatility, you can pair your sunglasses with a dress, you can pair them with swimsuits, you can pair it with a blazer and dress pants for a business casual look. It's extremely versatile, and that's what makes it an essential accessory. So, these are the 7 essential accessories every woman needs in her wardrobe. These pieces will not only enhance your outfit but also boost your confidence. Let me know your favorite accessories that you can't do without in the comments below. Meanwhile, I highly recommend that you watch my video on how to look good every day on a low budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on new videos as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, but see you in this video next.